Harnessing the power of TikTok to generate traffic for your website is a simple yet effective strategy. Today, I'll walk you through the process of leveraging TikTok for website traffic. To begin, start by accessing Google. Search for Place your advertisements on TikTok. This will lead you to pages where TikTok ads are showcased. Select one of these pages and click on Get Started. You'll need to create an account or log in to proceed. Once logged in, you can easily place advertisements for your website on TikTok. This method offers a straightforward approach to driving traffic. Alternatively, consider implementing affiliate programs on your website. By creating affiliate programs, individuals can share your website on TikTok, earning commissions for sales generated. These dual methods provide effective ways to promote your website on TikTok and attract traffic. By following these strategies, you can maximize your online presence and reach a wider audience. I hope you find these tips helpful in boosting traffic to your website.